Hi everyone, this is DailyChilli. I'm here today on Monday after a really nice weekend. I was baking a Colombian typical like a cheese bread called Pandebono, which was really almost the same as the original from Cali, Colombia. Thanks to Martina for helping me doing this recipe, and also helping me to eat all of them, and also my friends Miguel and Hati. I hope that you enjoy this a taste of Colombia. So yeah, today is Monday, new week, full of things to do. I hope it's gonna be productive. And today's password for my daily journal is Pandebono. Okay, see you guys, bye.